LinkedIn Audio has launched. You can see here audio event, and this is a very, very quick, and by quick I mean like 4 to 5 minute video just to show you how to find the events and how to land clients on it super quickly without spending hours in the app, without even needing to do an event, or without having a huge following. This is what it looks like. The basic structure of the LinkedIn events. You have speakers. You can see at the top there, you have the people that are speaking. They have control of the floor. And then you have the people in the audience who can be invited on stage and ask questions. It's based on Clubhouse. And we made, by the way, we made $60,000 in 6 weeks back a year ago with the approach I'm just going to show in this video real quick. And not only that, I've got priceless relationships and friendships from using the platform. Will it be a sustainable play in the long term on LinkedIn? I don't know. The jury is out. And no matter what anyone says, we won't know until we get 2 to 3 months down the line. But I do believe a lot of people will jump in there at the start, and there's a huge opportunity to jump on this. So what should you do? Well, just before I tell you what to do, I just want to take you through this principle. This principle is vitally important. This principle is why a lot of people struggle on LinkedIn, because this is called the buyer's journey, the buyer's pyramid. It's called innumerate things. You can find it on Google. And the overlying concept behind this is at any one time, only 3% of your market are active buyers. What's an active buyer? It means they're aware they've got a problem and they're in market and actively searching to solve that problem right now and looking to make a purchase decision. On top of that, another 6% are kind of open to it. And the biggest problem on LinkedIn when you do all this messaging is there's really no psychographic targeting. Psychographic targeting is just the idea that you can look at someone's behavior and really understand if they're in market or active buyers. It's very difficult to do with LinkedIn messaging. There's a few tells, like what they're writing in their content and what they're commenting on, but it's a bit flunky. But the great thing with audio events is, if you look at the layout, and by the way, I just pulled this off the Google Images search, just it's the LinkedIn example. At the top, the name of the event is actually this description of the problem that people are looking to solve. So if you're looking to solve a problem with work-life balance, you're going to go to an event about work-life balance. And in the audience are the people actively seeking help to solve the problem that the event is based around. In other words, they're not all going to be active buyers, but the probability of finding an active buyer in an audio event is significantly higher than in just sending endless cold messages. What do I mean? I'll show you how to find them in a minute. So here, LinkedIn audio event, how lawyers can use LinkedIn audio to win clients. If you sell to lawyers and you help lawyers win clients, you probably want to go to this event because the likelihood is high lawyers are going to be going there to learn how to win clients. Just like if you sell weight loss. So how do you get it? All you need to do is go to the home page. I'll just show you. Literally go to the home page, go to the top left, type in LinkedIn audio, click events, and there you can click down and see them all. And there it is. Just register for the event, go to the event, and then all you need to do, this is the bit that really worked well for us, is just look who's in the audience. Write down the name of the person that's in the audience, write down the question they asked, and then as soon as the event finishes, or even when the event's on, just message them, say, I'm in there, really enjoying it, really enjoyed your question. What do you think to the answer? Or just use whatever they ask as a context to start conversation. You're plenty good at building relationships if you're using LinkedIn day in, day out. And I absolutely guarantee if you do this in the next 2 to 4 weeks, you will undoubtedly get a fantastic new connections, fantastic new relationships, potential partnerships, and potential clients. Hope this has been helpful. Had a wonderful day. I did it in 4 minutes, 16 seconds. There we go. Take care.